Jamaica, you good? Especially you in the comments box. Me know me have to ruffle some feathers, but me only come to spit some facts. Me notice no blame Big C and no blame Mika Boo. So what about Brushy? Him not get no blame too. So Fabi should have done with Jaden, cause she saw what happened to Ashley. Big C should have done with Jaden, cause she saw what happened to Ashley and Fabi. Mika Boo seen what happened to Ashley and Fabi, and also Big C. She should have avoided the danger completely. So I'm asking a question, I'm hoping you can answer me. After the 4 young girls get victimized back to back, where's Jaden's accountability? Yeah, they should have known better. But I'm sure many of you can relate. How much time you hear say a man a dirty boy and you still go through him gate? How much time him baby mother tell the new woman the boy now mind the pitney, and she takes time with the crosses boy till him breed her and give her a baby. Then the same night for stick sheep, stick goat in him belly. Next thing you know, a judgment day and a feel time now to feel it. How much time men you hear say a woman a gold digger, she don't want nobody. But you make up your mind and proceed cause you love the cock up body. So you ignore what your virgin say and she whip you, Miss Grippy. And before Wappy can kill fill up, she cut down with the whole of your money. Many people make poor choices in relationships, especially when they are younger. Even grown-ass people still get played, or when they think them wiser. You may feel they are more experienced and have them shit together, but they keep on making the same mistakes over again and over. So if you know this for a fact, where's the hub, Jamaica? Why beat and teach for these survivors is all you have to offer. Because there's a built-in misogynistic culture to blame women while enabling men, such a social disaster. That's what we should condemn. Because while you hold these girls accountable, let me ask the men, why none of you have called out his dirty ways? Instead, you protect Jaden. You glorify his lifestyle as a gallus. You laugh when he jokes about their pain. Sometimes these women are silent and trying to move on, but for coins, he brings up their name. He has no boundaries, no respect, no considerations for their emotions. He jokes about every sensitive thing. With him, there are no exceptions. From exposing Fabi's panty, leaking Ashley's nude body, abusing them verbally, mentally, and physically. Yet all his actions have no consequence in this one-sided gender-biased community. None of his friends can be honest with him. Only Zuma told Fabi to run. You remember when one done spoke up for Ashley or him did get backs down? Them say him pay for analyze Zuma. What a piece of grief. Stay the thing I'm not going to Zuma. Remember Naya Gang said believe and believe. The whole of them are hitch up round him. Who not give him no wrong? Them all have one thing in common. The whole of them are lesbian. Me just never want to call the B word. Make it seem like me I discriminate. But all of them are alphabet. I use woman to mask them self-hate. Someone up on social media need to use wisdom and start hugged. How much time will I keep getting gay jokes from this closeted little bunch? Even Jaden has been so open with his gay lifestyle. He's blunt, but I think it's just comedy, playing pranks and pulling stunts. He's become so desperate now. He admits to yamming Nika's front. Anything to make him look straight in public. Like man now use brush and make him grunt. But they will protect him. Even the transgender girls will too. You know man them like? You think their loyalty is to you? But if they were living true to their claim of being a good lady, they would stand up for the women who stand up for them and support them daily. Jamaican transgender girls, they put you down too. They can't stand the association because you're living in your truth. They're scared of your energy, drags them out the closet. And when the world not looking, they're taking it out of them back pocket, using it like an handkerchief, then disowning it in the public. So to make themselves look straight, they behave like they're better than you. Abandon you to be supported by women. So what you gonna do? Remain silent conveniently or blame the young girls too? See what I mean? Men support men. Even those who say they're women, we are the weapon of arm against each other over and over again. Cause a men, we sell out our children. Cause a men, we sell out a friend. Men can sleep with 2 sisters and make an enemy of them. Me know enough good man out there. On a nice, on a gem. So don't feel offended when me talk. On another problem. It's a set of closeted demon boys from hell who want like them from heaven. But if fish come tell you from the sea set deep, believe me, them a fallen angel. Them put every blame on women. Them take no accountability. Them play mind games and we left you in a depression and anxiety. You see some of them crosses boy who said them a Jamaican, especially the one them with the skeleton tattoo on them hand. Believe me when me tell you say the whole of them want man. Please trust and understand. Them are not top, them are bottom. That's why you see them tracer, like say them tongue long. Them eat act like coronation and cuss like them big old market girl. While them a change woman like Jubilee birth rate, man a flip them over like a pancake. Mind games, them so fake. I make you feel like them think straight. Cause them say easy to take bait. Cause the love of money is a headache. Or root up evil like an earthquake. Them town advisor now catch the rake. I tell Fabi for circle back for love's sake. Cause them want the girl get a heartbreak. Why not change? Must his skin still snake? When you must shame now, he ain't crowbait. Good thing Fabi never follow no and make mistake. Well, keep your ears open, we watch. Ashley, lie you up with the evidence and facts. Cause Big C now take back a shot. Yes, Brushy, you finally meet your match.